डोंट हैव एनी अदर ब्रांच। हमारी कोई अन्य शाखा नहीं है, नकालों से सावधान।
Jai Hind friends, my name is Aman Kumar Bindra and I have cleared NDA 145 and 146 both the exams from home preparation, but I was not aware of the SSB procedures. So I was just surfing the internet and got to know about DDA, the Doon Defense Academy, and I just found out that SSB courses are provided here. So I just joined in, and before coming here I was not knowing anything about what SSB procedures are, how what are the tasks that are given, what is psychological tests. So I joined here, and here I got to know that the faculties are very good, very supportive and very cooperative. They tell you exactly what the procedures are and how you should behave in order to get recommended. So, and about the GTO, I am a black belt first dan in Taekwondo. But then also, after coming here, I realized that I need to work more hard because the individual obstacles here are very unique, and it provides you the realistic approach. So if you are aspiring for SSB interview and if you want to prepare for SSB interview, I would recommend you to join DDA. Thank you and Jai Hind friends.
I am Ritik Kumar Trivedi from Mathura, UP. After completing 12th, I took an online coaching from DDA. The teachers here are very fine. They cooperate with us and tell us everything about the written exam. After clearing the written exam, I cleared 145 and 146, both the ND exams. After that, I was called by the DDA team that I will be provided free of cost coaching for SSB. I came here and joined it. Earlier to it, I was not knowing about the procedure, but when I came here, I come to know about the things. I come to know how the test process is done. I interact with group captains who are a psychologist and training officer. The GTO here is also very good. He's very cooperative and tells about the techniques which we should use to do well in the GTO. And I recommend you all to join DDA for a good future, to join Defense Army in an easy way. Thank you friends and Jai Hind.
Hello friends, my name is Devanshu Dev Mishra and I am here from Siliguri. I cleared my NDA exam this year in 2020, NDA 145 exam. I was looking for an institution which can actually provide me an overview of SSB, and I came to know about DDA. But the problem was it was 1655 km away from my home. Still I choose to came here because I came to know that this is the best institute in our country, and I don't regret my choice. I came to know everything about SSB now, and I'm feeling really confident and looking for my SSB exam confidently. Jai Hind friends.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम रणवीर सिंह है। मैं मेरठ का रहने वाला हूं और मैंने डीडीए से कोचिंग की थी रिटर्न के लिए, और अब मैं एसएसबी के लिए आया हुआ हूं और मेरी एसएसबी कोचिंग कंप्लीट हो गई है। यहाँ पे एसएसबी की बहुत ही अच्छी क्लासेज हैं और फैकल्टी भी काफ़ी अच्छी हैं और इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर तो काफ़ी बहुत अच्छे हैं और वे एनकरेज भी करते हैं बच्चों को एसएसबी के लिए, और मेरे विश्वास है कि मैं अपना एसएसबी अच्छी तरह दे पाऊँगा।
My name is Muhammad Faiz. I am from Hardoi, UP. I cleared my NDA 2020 first exam, and here I come to 12-day SSB training. So here I learned many things, a lot of things from me, my SSB experience. The teachers and faculty of here good. They give us more experience of their SSB and give us more things to how to crack SSB, and the faculty are good. Thank you. Jai.
My name is Ashish Pandey. I am from Gorakhpur. I came here in 2019 for the preparation of NDA written exam, and I cleared that. Then again I came here for the preparation of SSB, and I have totally prepared. The staff are very good. The teaching staff and the non-teaching staff both are very good. They are very supportive by nature. They help us out to find out what is our strength and what is our weakness. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Kunjan Kumar. I am from Aurangabad, Bihar. I come here for both coaching and SSB class. Last 2 times I am not able to clear the exam because I know I am very weak in GS. After that I joined DDA and I know my weakness and strength and work on it. And then this time in NDA 1 2020, I able to clear the written examination, and after that I come here for SSB classes. Here all the faculty are good. They encourage me to that you can, yes, you can do it.
Jain friend, my name is Devesh Singh. I am from Mainpuri, Uttar Pradesh. I came here for the written exam, and I also cleared the NDA and Air Force both exam. After that, I started our preparation for the SSB, and now I am feeling comfortable for the SSB. Thank you.
My name is Utkarsh Pratap Singh Rajawat. I am from Jalon, Uttar Pradesh. In previous attempt, I got a conference out from SSB. Then I listened from my friend about the DDA Academy. He said that it's the best academy, so I joined it. And now I have a great experience here. And now I am very confident about everything that I got recommended. And the GTO Ravi sir and our IO Talwar sir and the psychologist Dhyani sir is very good and supportive in nature, and our daily drill is very good, as our PT teacher is also very supporting and always motivates us for doing a great job, and the staff of DDA is very supporting and nice. Thank you.
My name is Celeste Tiwari. I am from Raebareli district of Uttar Pradesh. I have heard about this institution after completing my plus 2 from BSS Public School and reached here. After reaching here, I appeared in the examination, and due to my fault, I was failed in first attempt. After that, I took the guidance of the teachers from this institution, and I got cleared NDA 2020 first and second both. After that, when I got my call letter for SSB, I joined the SSB classes. And if I talk about SSB classes, then GTO sir, IO sir, and psychologist sir, all of them are quite friendly in nature and provides me the good guidance. And by his guidance, now I can say that I'll definitely clear the SSB interview.
Hello, myself Sawan Bhavra. I am from Saharanpur, UP. I passed out my class 10th last year. I had taken coaching for written exam, and now I have cleared my NDA 2021 and also Group X exam. I have prepared for SSB year with the guidance of Group Captain Dhyani sir, GTO Ravi Patel sir, and IO Tanwar sir. And I got also knowledge of basic drill from our SSB coordinator Umesh Kunyal sir. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Athar Santosh Patil. I am from Kolhapur district of Maharashtra. I came here by getting a guidance from one of my friends who told me that the Dune Defense Academy is the best for SSB training. So I joined here for the batch from 17 December, and I found it pretty well, and I enjoyed the most of GTO task and the Psych class. It was pretty good, and I enjoyed very much. And even the nature is here good, and environment is very supportive, and all the guidance were, and all the sirs assisted me well. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dipanshu Raghav. I have cleared my NDA 2020 exam in this year, and I have decided to take SSB coaching. I have heard of the words of mouth of this NDA DDA coaching, so I decided to go there and take the coaching. As I hear from the friends, and the DDA coaching is very good, and I love the psychology classes the most, and the GTO classes was exceptionally very good. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Saksham Chaudhary. I have cleared my 12th class this year only, and I have cleared my NDA written exam at home only. So after clearing my NDA exam, I thought to prepare for SSB. So I gathered some information, and then I get to know that DDA is the best place to study for SSB interview. Here teachers are very friendly, and all of the GTO tasks, they are also amazing. So overall it was a best experience for me.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.